HyperCloud supports ADFS integration for AWS. You navigate to the Identity Providers tab, and here you can click New to set up a new SAML identity provider in AWS. This allows the users, AD users, to be authenticated with ADFS and provide a single sign-on capability to set roles and policies for those groups of users within AWS. Establish the trust relationship between ADFS and AWS identity provider that we just created. We need to upload a metadata document from AD, and we'll push that into AWS. After the ADFS identity provider is set up in AWS, we next have to add roles for the groups of users that we want to provide single sign-on and ADFS authentication capability. We navigate to the Roles tab, and here we have already pre-created some roles, but to create a new role, we need to select the account that we need to create these roles in. We need to select the identity provider that we just created, and then each role needs to be given a name. So this role maps to the group of users that are already set up in AD. So each group or users can have a role that will allow them to authenticate and have access to AWS. There's also a policy document that helps establish and govern the set of services and policies that each of these users have. The trust policy indicates that this is a federated role for ADFS users and groups, and the inline policy dictates the permissions that this role has. So this could be customized based on the groups and the access that we want to give them in AWS.